Let me tell you about my journey to a very interesting country. Can you tell what the name of this country is? Yes, it is Brazil. Brazil is a country in South America. It took me about 7 hours to get there from Boston. I began my journey in Rio de Janeiro, which Brazilians call a marvelous city. This is a city with a long, beautiful beach surrounded by mountains. I stayed in the hotel in Copacabana, the famous beach 4 kilometers long with a view of the Sugarloaf Mountain, right next to the beach of Ipanema, made known through a very famous song. From Rio, I flew to the south of the country to visit famous Iguazu Falls, right on the border of Brazil and Argentina. These are the largest falls in the world. Brazil is famous for its exotic animals and birds. To see them, I went to the Pantanal region, which is the world's largest tropical wetland. I saw some parrots, tigers, alligators, and many kinds of birds. Then I flew to the north of the country. This is a place where the Amazon River flows and where the Amazon rainforest is. It is the world's largest tropical forest with thousands of tree species. The Amazon basin is often called the lungs of the earth. This phrase means that the trees in the Amazon produce a lot of oxygen. When I was in the north, the city of Recife, I visited the local museum. There I learned about Brazilian history and culture. I found out that the Portuguese colonized Brazil in 1500s and brought their language. Throughout its history, many people came from different parts of the world. Now there are more than 183 million people calling Brazil their home. I was also lucky to visit the largest city in South America, São Paulo, which is located in the south of the country. It's a large industrial city. Did you know that Brazil produces airplanes that are used everywhere in the world? It also produces chemicals, steel, and cars. Do you know what the capital of Brazil is? It's Brasilia. It's located on the central plateau of Brazil. Brasilia was made the capital of Brazil to bring more development to that region. It is a city with a very unique modern architecture. I finished my trip in the state of Bahia. This is a beautiful place to be. This is the place where you can really see the diversity of Brazil. Its population is a mix of European and African. You can sample some delicious food there and, of course, listen to some great music.
Ele é o maior que você pode encontrar, viu? Você com a sua música esqueceu o principal, que no peito dos desafinados, no fundo do...
In Bahia, you can also learn how to dance samba, a traditional Brazilian dance. What a great way to finish the journey to this wonderful country. Obrigada e tchau!